Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 4. Here see question number 4 is 15% of 250. That is A is 15% of 250. That is equal to 15% means 15 by 100 of means multiply 250. This 0 and this 0 will be cut, right? And 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. That is 15 into 5 by 2. That comes to 15 into 5, 5 is 25, and 5 6 7. That is 75 by 2. If you divide 75 by 2, 75 by 2, you are getting 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6, that is 1, 15, 2 7 is 14, 14, 15 minus 14 is 1.025 is 10. That comes to 37.5 is equal to 37.5. Right? Number B is 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour. 1 hour. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And we change into second, it will be 60 into 60 seconds. Right? Therefore, we are getting 1%. That is 1% of 1 hour means 60 into 60 seconds. That is 60 is 36.00 seconds. Right? Of 3600 seconds. Right? That you are getting 1% means 1 by 100. Of means multiply into 3600 seconds. Right? That you are getting this 0, this 0 will cut, this 0, this 0 cut. We are getting 36 seconds. 36 seconds. Right? Now we shall solve question number C. Question number C is here you see. Question number C is here you see. Question number C is 20% of rupees. 20% of rupees. 20% of rupees 2500. 2500. 20% means 20 by 100. 20 by 100. Of means multiply 2500. That is 2500. This 0 and this 0 cut, and this 0 with this 0. That is we are getting 25 into 2, that is 50. 1 0 is left, that is 500. That we are getting rupees 500. That is rupees 500. Therefore 20% of rupees 2500 is rupees 500. Now the next question is question number D is 75% of 1 kg. Question number D is 75%, 75% of 1 kg. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram. Therefore, it can be written as 75% of 75% of 1 kg means 1000 gram. That is equal to 75 by percent. 75% means 75 by 100 of is multiply 1000 gram. Now this zero will cut, and this zero will cut. That comes to 750 gram. That is 750 gram. Or you can change into kilogram. That is 750 by 1000 kilogram, and that comes to 0. That comes to 0.750 kg. Right? That is 0.750 kg. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.